What is up, guys? So it's been a while since my last video. I was on vacation in Orlando, Florida with my family. And from taking this break, I realized a lot of things. And things will be changing for the better. So number one, there will no longer be a video every single day because I realized that I was doing it for the wrong reasons. The reason why I did that was because I wasn't able to come out with a video for the longest time. So the first reaction to that was to create a video every single day. And by doing that, I lost balance in my entire life. I would come back, work on the house, and edit till 11 or 12. And if I didn't finish, I would wake up early to finish it. I used to journal and study other stuff. And that's not something that I want to lose balance of. The past 12 days of making these videos did take away the time and did throw off the balance a little bit, but it was super valuable because it proved that no matter what, a video can be made every single day. And I went through the process 12 times. There's just a lot of experience gained there that will help me carry on. But I will still be working every single day and I will be documenting it. So nobody's escaping that. Another benefit of creating one video a week is to be able to consolidate all of that time used per day to create a better video over the weekend. So not only will I save time every single day, bring balance back into my life, and work on my dreams, I'm able to come out with better videos for everyone. So situation that's just a win for everyone and only made possible by taking this break. So another testament to the importance of taking breaks. That's all for today. I'm sick today, but I still did some work because coming back from vacation, we lost some momentum, so we have to start building it, no matter how small. Good luck on your goals. See you guys this weekend.